It's our cup that our cam sensor reads. We did the stage 2 on with Screaming Eagle 511 cam. We're also now, customer decided he wanted to throw some bars on there while he's here. So I'll show you these Harley Davidson, I believe these are called, what are these called? We don't know what these are called. We'll figure out what they're called before the end of the video, but here they are. Here is our stock setup. There it is, guys, final product, the handlebars we just installed with the stage 2, the Sawicki. These are the new Harley Davidson for this 24 model fused low handlebar. They feel really good, look pretty cool on here, so yeah, come by, check them out. There it is, 2024 FLTRX with the 511 cam, wedge air cleaner, fused low handlebars.